Thank you, Natsu, for the little crown. I-off ko yung ano. Excuse me. Off ko na. Ayun, off din. Okay. Tagal ni Gojo. Ano magandang aralin na agent? Wait lang, ang ganda talaga nung ano. Sa playstyle ko, unpredictable. Ayoko. Ako mamaya, imbes na ako bumuhat. Smoke. Ayoko smoke. Hindi ako marunong mag-smoke. I mean, bagay. Pwede rin na. You must have forgotten me. It's okay because I often miss your life. No, I did not forget you. I remember you, of course. Of course. You're one of the people who watch me even in Thailand. I remember you, of course. Thank you, Champ Champ. Thank you. Nasa loko. Thank you, Champ Champ. Thank you, Papa Jishish, for the charmer bow. Even if you go inactive, as long as you interact with me on my live stream, or I see you often on my live stream, I don't forget. Dahil talaga si TikTok kayo kapahirapan. Ay talaga. Joke lang. Ang tagal. Si Vito ba? Okay ba si Vito? KO. Ayoko mag-KO. Pressure masyado. Yeah, maybe Reyna. Hi, Reyna. Reyna, Soba, Teho. Reyna or Teho? Iniiwas sa Sage kasi nagawan need sub. Hello! Si Master Gojo pala bubuhat. Oh, yes! Thank you, Papa Jishish, for the shells. Thank you po. Hello! Sawadi ka! Isang araw, tagal. Nagmamaneho sa Cubao. Punta ko may sky bigla dito. Did I try sky? Thank you, PJ, for the shell energy. Thank you po. Yes! Kamusta? Hello! Lawin na ako mamaya, guys. Let's go! What if ano muna? Molly. Ano daw? How last trend mo energy na enjoy covering it. Yes, I love that song. I love that song kasi. Iwan mo kami kanina. Sorry, I had to go live again kasi. Ano, one game ba muna? Chat ko ulit. Yep. Hello, Piu Piu. Dagdag mo na yung icon ko dyan. Ko, what is your favorite food? I like salmon sushi. But if we're talking about Filipino food, adobo, pancit, a lot. What cuisine? Why if there's Quadlips event in Indonesia, it's always close to my exam? I'm sorry. I don't know. Maybe because during those times, it's also close to vacation. Timing is not... It's okay, next time. I hope it's not close to your exam anymore. Thank you, Taeyong, for the heart meme. Thank you. Now I found another crush. Ang tagal. Should I get it? It's so cute. Imagine this with Sage. 어떡해. Ayaw ng tablet maglaro. What? Hello? Sorry ka nung Oh, this is so cute. Wait. Nabubudol ako. Should I get it? Deserve ko ba? Deserve ba natin bumili ng skin, guys? Ang ganda kasi. You see? Otoke. Should I get it? Should I get it? You can deal with yourself if you deserve it. Sige. Kasi this is, this changes like, does this change like every day? And then, I think, for a few days maybe. I think every day. Nag-refresh tong shop. Wait lang. Nagko-contemplate ako kung kukunin ko ba to o hindi? Deserve o hindi ko mag-decide. Bakit kami? Oo nga naman. Oo nga naman. Nasa DC. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang, guys. May ayusin lang ako. May ayusin lang ako. Tipong pag naka 10 kills ka in one game, edi go, sige! 10 kills in one game. I'll get it. Game. Kompe agad. Kompe agad. Huwag ganon. Dapat 10 kills above. Thank you, J Smile. Ano ba yan? E di I'll play badly naman. Huwag ganon.
Match found.
Okay. G, play PUBG? No, this is Valorant, but I also do play PUBG. 10 lang wag sobra. 10 lang, wag sobra.
I am both shield
Ang tanong nga, abot ba ng 10 yung kills? That's the question. Kain well. Woo. 10 and up. Bigyan mo ko kills, Frosty, ah. Paano ka gagaling if di ka more than 10? I know! Pero last time, siguro naka 16 kills nga ako last time eh. Kaso defeat. So what's the use? Nakita ko na naman ang malupit na setup ni Coley. Thank you. Hindi kasi kaya ng internet ko eh. Siguro pag na-upgrade ko yung internet. I mean, tama. Pwede ko naman sabihin ko naman sinabi yung pangalan eh. Pag na-upgrade ko yung internet, pwede nang hindi ganito yung setup natin. But I doubt it as well. I got this pala, guys. Look. So cute. I don't know nga eh. Bigay lang din kasi ng ano. Hi!
Sage, you lock them down, and I'll take them out. Just like we practiced.
No! Oh no, I'm pinging! Ay, kuya.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
Reloading. Reloading.
No peeking! Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted A.
Reloading.
No charges left. There. Thank you.
Sa ano? Bounce.
Spike planted.
Okay.
Reloading. One enemy
Hello!
Reloading.
I can't
Healing over here.
kill. Kabado pa siya, guys.
They were not good enough.
Scary. Okay, one.
Right then. Some more of that, and they're in the shite.
Okay, one. 9 to go. Thank you, broccoli cauliflower. Is this the one?
I got there, Ozzy.
Everybody has guns na.
Drop in a smoke. No peeking.
Sige, go. Wala.
Reloading. Multiple enemies. Here. Yeah.
Healing you.
May flank. Oh my gosh. Hindi.
Last player
Carrier is
standing.
down.
Yun ba yung goal? Dapat 10 tapos panalo yung
They're going to
ano.
scatter from my stuff.
Panalo yung
Super easy to pick
game.
off.
Dapat panalo yung game. Ganun na lang. 10 kills and then panalo yung game. Oh my gosh! Sobrang random. Yung pwede lagay yun sa salad and chopstick. Broccoli and cauliflower. Oh, my favorite! I like salad and chopstick.
Fulfill our mission.
Sige, di naman. Ay!
Got today. Enemy spotted B.
Reload.
Saan yun?
Hawk out.
Uy!
Reloading. Eliminate.
Heal up, squad.
Should I go A? Should we go A? I don't know. We're stuck here for too
Hawk
long.
out.
It's okay, we can wait, I guess.
Barrier placed.
Aray ko!
Hunt.
Oh, sige.
Scout destroyed.
I'm planting.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Dapat tinatay ko muna. My bad.
I'm nothing like the enemy cove.
Nanalo ka ba,
in that
Yasmin?
outfit.
Really? Really? Tingin ko. Oh, sige. Sige na nga. Game na nga. Saan ko na nga yung monitor ko. Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Game na nga. Game na nga.
I got you, okay?
Ba't naka-erase yung ano?
Enemy spotted A.
Aray ko.
I can't use that.
Spike down A.
Reloading.
Goodness.
Reloading.
One wave.
Carrier's down.
Spike down A.
Night-night.
Last player standing.
Sa'yo yung spike. Ay, kuya.
One enemy remaining.
Ente. Hi.
Oh, this reminds me of this one time where I. Actually, never mind.
Save round, save round. Makapagsalita naman tong Raze. Naman Raze.
Reloading.
Hey! Aray ko. Ay.
Here.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
I'm gonna plant.
Enemy spotted B. Spike planted.
It works pa.
Reloading.
I'm no
lang,
doctor, but I can patch a bullet hole or two. Let me know if you need healing.
Ay, napindot. May napindot na naman ako. Please don't accept. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Tara, let's play Valo.
I will hold up the sky.
Wait. I can't hear you.
Oh no.
Ayan, okay na. I can hear you.
Pero ate ko, kung maglalaro ka pa, ayain mo ako later. Mag-aaral ako.
Alright. Sige.
Yay!
Well.
You had your fun. My turn.
Why? Hindi siya matamaan.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
Counted ba
One
yun?
enemy remaining.
Ang lakas pala.
I got the spike.
Napindot ko siya! Ba't ganun?
Spike planted.
Siya matamaan.
My territory! My I have them now!
No, I won't lose. Don't worry. It's just the start of the game. Napindot ko pala si Rene. Buti na lang
My
si Rene
ult
yung
is ready.
napindot ko.
Sorry, ears still ringing.
Game. Ay, binigay sa Raze na naman yung spike. Lagalaban po, palag, tama.
I dropped the spike. I have the spike.
Yun, binigay sa akin spike. Saan tayo, guys? Aray ko.
Healing you.
Naka-O din sa kabila. Tara, B.
Drop in a smoke.
Spike down B.
Back like I never left. I got the spike.
Only iron on this account. Is it iron? Yeah.
One enemy remaining.
Someone's in defender spawn. Reloading squad.
30 seconds left.
Oh my gosh.
My ult's ready. Once more into battle. I'm not tired.
Oh my
Are you?
gosh. Really? Bye-bye.
Can someone get this? Thank you.
Kasi ganito yung graphics ko. Something changed.
Spot the spike. Hawk out. Blinded. Enemy spotted A. Need help. Time to hunt.
Nice.
Grenade. Got him. Need help. Barrier created.
Planting.
Headshot. My ult's ready. Spike planted. Need help. Need help. Going over here.
Watching here.
Eh, wala.
Enemy spotted.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading. Oh, hey, we're the same. Prepare yourselves. We fight once again.
Game na nga. I'm stuck at 3! I'm stuck at 3. No. No, 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 no. May attacking pa, may attacking. Hello, salamat naman. Why do my friends always say that I look like manananggal? Why do they say that?
Enemy spotted B. Need help.
Hindi.
Enemy spotted A.
Your duty is not over for you.
Wait. This feels different.
Do we go A? I think ko lang tayo sa A. Teho A.
Go ahead. Stand your ground.
Oh no.
Wall raised. I've got your trail. Grenade.
Ouch! I'm trapped!
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Ay, nasira yung wall ko.
Now.
There's another.
Here comes the party.
Spike planted.
Hawk out.
My ult.
Di pa ba na-clear yun?
Grenade.
My territory, my rules.
Last player standing.
Ang hirap!
Three for me.
Thrifty.
What's behind me? A wall.
What will it be this time?
Stone
Have any
scary.
patterns emerged yet?
Kasi skinless eh. Kaya... Joke lang. Chot tomate. I'll end the live at around 10. Kasi I have to go by then. Naka-erase na naman yung spike at me.
Need help. I dropped the spike.
Iwan niya yung spike doon. Kahit ka na, yes, nag-hit na ako.
Finished.
I have the spike.
Hawk out.
Okay,
Blinded.
on my way. Uy!
Wall raised. Spike planted.
Enemy spotted A.
Wait a minute.
For you.
Hawk out.
Unavoidable.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining. Clutch.
I am not just your Wow, Sage. When you turn it on,
Sige,
you
sige,
turn
sige.
it.
On. Great work.
more to go. Ano ulam? Ano ba kinain ko kanina? Hala, hindi ko maalala. Ba't nagmerienda ata ako na? So, hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner. Thank you. We're gonna win this, guys. You just have to be patient.
Enemy spotted A.
Wow. Saan? Okay, go.
Spike down A.
Why did you leave the spike?
Last player standing.
Why did you leave the spike? Ay, nako. Ano po, nakita pumasok. Baka late ka po. Late ka daw, Chabu. Lagot ka. Late ka daw, Chabu.
30 seconds left.
Gugutom ako, guys. Should I order food? Kasi hindi ako makakapag-concentrate. Okay. Sa bahay na lang ako mag-eat. Tomorrow, I'll be going live sa Lagunation again. Wala na tayo sa turf tomorrow.
10 seconds left.
Ako tumabay kasi pag nananatumay. Nakabalik ka na. Bumalik ka. Oh, NT.
Last round in the half.
Wait, so till 10
We cannot
South
keep our
Girl ka na
goods
ulit,
after
mama.
this.
Yes.
Spend all.
South Girly na
Could I have a
ako.
drop? Thank you. Could I have a drop?
Ano ba kinakanta mo?
Oh shite, I lost my head off.
Ano yun? Hindi kasi marunong umentry si Reyes eh.
Enemy spotted A. No peeking.
Dapat una pa lang pasabog na agad. Joke lang.
Enemy kill. Gotcha, fun. My territory. My room like I never left.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? Wait, I think I'm three.
Spike down A.
One bat. Ay, bats ba yun?
Watch this! My ult's ready.
Watching here.
Last player
Tagal.
standing.
Kailangan.
One enemy remaining.
Nakakainis naman medyo slight. Kailangan.
I have to spike.
Sorry, my words. Behave.
Switching sides.
Okay, we're defending.
Alright, lucky socks. Don't fail me now.
Hello! Mag-wrap ka or tempura or anything you want. You kinda want tempura again. Long time no tempura, ha? Okay. Isang araw, nagmamanayaw sa kuba.
I don't quit.
Wall raise.
Wala, ayaw umangat na. See? Wala dito. Bakit sila nag-push? I think, yeah, they're all there. Maybe. But what?
Spike planted.
Kasi iniwan nila.
Yikes.
Ay, guya. Cherry po. Saan?
Last player standing.
78 long. Ay! Ito! Umikot pa. 360 pa eh.
I reckon I'll take a kip after this. I've earned it.
Sali ka, ano? Pakala nito. Andiyan pa ba si ano? Si Charger? Charger, sali ka? Yes.
We can
Charger.
push them back.
Charger, tumbler, tsaka inhaler.
Multiple enemies B.
Asan? Oh no, they're there! Oh no! Bestie, don't die, bestie!
Last player standing.
Nasira niya yung wall ko. Hindi ko napansin. Eh,
Spike planted.
hi! First time seeing P-pop idol playing Valo. Hello, welcome, welcome. Okay, bias ko na. Thank you! Welcome, welcome. Saving Are? No! Na-stuck ako sa 7! Ay, 7 na? Thank you. This is Kevin for the heart me. Thank you. Ano lang ako, iron. Iron on this account. Wow! Na para bang...
Stand tall. We are Valorant. We are fighters.
Oy. Let's save.
I'm saving.
Smurfing. Seven na guys, 7 na. Kaso 9 na. Oh my gosh.
Time to mobilize my pack.
Why are you going there?
Wall raised.
They're here. I'm blind. Makapasok na sa isa. Oh my gosh, ang dami kong kalaban.
Spike planted.
Yeah, your trail. My ultimate is ready.
Last player
26 tayo.
standing.
Nice try! Nice try, nice try!
Woo! We got this.
Oh my gosh. Wala akong mabay.
Can someone get this?
Saving ulit. Ang palit.
Roll for initiative.
Hello. We're here. We're here.
Barrier created.
Yes or no? Yes.
Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted A.
Low jet, maybe.
Here.
My ult's ready.
Teleport.
One down.
Enemy down.
I'm lagging! I'm lagging. Bruh. Bakit ka nagagalit?
One enemy remaining.
removed. Your duty is not over.
So what I missed? Reloading.
Last enemy taken out.
11 na.
Aye, where to?
Thank you, Johan. Hello. Sovereign.
Couple girl out, what's up?
I have your back.
She's nice. Naughty hell.
Barrier created.
That's you, pal. Spotted
Sira na naman dito.
Hawk out.
May na-blind? Wala. Nandun sila.
Here.
Hala. Ay, nandun yung spike.
Spike down B.
Spike spotted B.
Stay down. Need help. Enemy spotted B.
Oh my gosh. Dito na. Naglalag ako, guys. Pero okay na. Naka 10 kills na tayo. Yay.
One enemy remaining.
Need help.
Spike down B.
Childhood. Gift nyo na siya, guys. Miss Boomer. Every dream wings. I know, right?
Spike spotted B.
We know what we're doing. Trust
I have
each
a
other
deal.
and we'll be fine.
Can someone get this?
I have a deal with myself na if I have 10 kills and above and then we win this game. Wala yung isang ano pa, if we win this game pala. Uy, panalo natin to, guys. Panalo natin to talaga.
Keep up.
Sayang 10 kills. Yes.
My ult's ready. Need help. Not inside. Oh, enemy spotted B. 3.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
You are in our way.
Yay!
Reloading.
My ult is ready.
You know what we should do?
Uy, panalo
I'll tell
natin
ya.
to, guys. Sayang
We should
yung 10
win.
kills. Grabe, 33. Kuha ka ng order.
Find the weak point. Break it.
Wala na, late na ako.
Enemy spotted B.
Hindi nga ni. Hala.
Enemy spotted A.
Wall raised.
Spike down A.
Spike spotted A.
Reloading.
Low na yun, ah. Ay, hindi nila na-plan. Wala, sa likod.
Last player standing.
Back like I never left.
Last player standing. Spike down A.
Uh-oh.
Them now. Race it to the spike sites.
Okay. 8-11, guys. 8-11. Alamat SB9. Ooh. Welcome to the family.
Watching here. Multiple enemies.
Barrier created.
Oh no. Are they rotating?
Spike planted.
Enemy spotted A. 3.
One enemy remaining.
Ay, sorry po! Sorry. Ace yun, Ace. Sorry. My bad.
Don't even stop.
Hi.
Reloading.
Come back manifesting.
You know, I could just outlive them. Nah, bullets are quicker.
Hi. Isang araw. Sama mo sa Cubao. Ay, 3A pala. Ano gusto niya?
Let's fly.
Andy.
Wall raised.
Spike down A.
I can't use that.
One bats. Oh my gosh, di niya nakita.
One dead.
Kita!
You had your fun. My turn.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Yay!
Do not fight us. I'm amped. Let's go. I got things to do.
Ngayon lang yan, guys. Kasi motivated. Motivated kasi.
Need help. Don't keep the ground.
Ay, nako. Nasayang ko.
Watching here.
Barrier created.
Dito?
Here.
I shot
Ay,
somebody.
sila. Okay. Come back. Uy! Galing naman nun. Line up yun. Kami pansigit
Enemy
sa...
spotted B.
There.
Ikaw pala nakakita.
Bomb buddy out.
Teleport. 33 clove.
Need help.
Last player standing.
Thank
Satchel out.
you.
Spike planted.
Thank you po. Ay, nako. Why? Oh no, we're gonna... No, kaya to comeback.
Match point.
I surrounded by minha família. We won't lose.
3A daw na naman. Iwinawagayway. You saw that? Iginawagayway. Iginawagayway.
This is gonna be fun.
Araw. Sorry, to down them twice, yes.
Barrier created.
My ult's ready.
Why does she keep pushing?
I've got your trail. My territory, my rules.
I can feel.
Enemy spotted B. Healing you. Reloading.
Here goes the party.
Spike planted.
Time to hunt.
Fill you up.
Go ahead. Stand your ground.
Blocking sight.
Dalawa sila doon.
Heal up, squad.
Pwede mag ano. Pwede mag-diffuse yung isa. Grabe, unli heal.
Hawk out. Reloading.
NT.
Enemy
This-
spotted B.
Nothing.
Last player standing.
Sayang!
Attackers win.
No, my 16 kills! No! No! Look! Look! Asan na? It's so cute! It's so cute! Wait. Let me check. May message yung dad ko. Wala pang message si daddy kahit pa isang game. Dapat tonight. Oo nga, dapat tonight. Kasi kung hindi, I can't get it. Di ko kaya mag-follow sa Lagunation. Thank you, PJ, for the heartbeat. Di ko kaya mag-follow sa Lagunation kasi yes, may error. Okay lang, lahat naman may error. Kensya na, but look, it's so cute.
Match.
Yan, lakas. I have Miss Bloom on my other account. Hi, Trixie! Ate, okay lang yan. Pasado na yan. Close fight naman. Guys na po kita follow na kita. Thank you! Tapos pink yung laging gamit mo. No, yung bagay kay Sage.
I am both shield
Yung
and
medyo, medyo greenish. Sometimes the purple one. I like the purple one too. I like all. Pala. Thank you, broccoli and cauliflower. Saudi girly pop. Kinda a little bit. But my heart is in the city. Maybe we play together. No, maybe, probably. Ala, susunduin na ako, guys! Thank you, broccoli and cauliflower, for the game controller. Thank you. Ala, susunduin na ako. Hala, 30 minutes. Kaya ba to 30 minutes? 30-minute game lang. Duelist. Isa pang duelist. My dad will sundok me. Ngayon na. Wala na, din ako makakapagbalo. Ay! In 5 minutes, he's leaving, so I think... Kaya nga eh.
Today is a gift to Radiance. We're finally free to use her.
Inask ko rin kung gaano katagal papunta dito. Sa airport. Abot yan 30 minutes. Wow, battle mode! Paano yun? Dalawa yung smokes natin eh.
Reloading.
Ano ba, nahuli ako?
Shutting them down. Smoke's down.
Oh. Ouch!
Last player standing.
Ang dami. Ang dami!
I will fulfill my purpose.
It's okay. I can get this kill. It's fine.
Reload.
Hindi siya sa'yo para masto. And nabapagsundo, of course.
Together.
LSS ako sa pag-ibig ko. I'll stream it later. Try to listen to Overdrive from Quadlips. I feel like you'll like it also. Ala! Mid! Ha? What? Mid to A. 1, 2, 3.
Enemy spotted.
Reloading.
Ay, wala sa akin yung spike! Hindi ako kasha. Wala sa akin yung spike.
Can't use this yet. Can't use this yet.
Wala.
Tango down. Light planted.
Hindi ko alam kung nasa yung ano.
One enemy remaining.
Whoa, that hurt me.
Molly.
Okay, bye.
We are not done.
Pero sa pangalan ate ko, kung ba may iba? You could call me Coley. Papunta na ata dito, guys. I have to go. No, I can't get this skin! Last round. Dalhin ko na lang yung laptop.
Tip the balance
Let's
in
see if I
our
can play
favor.
later. Ano ba yan?
Shadows traveling. Suppress it.
Nasa gym.
One suppressed.
Return to dust.
Launching smoke. Dim beacon down. Reloading.
Wall raised.
Low yan, low.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading. Bagged and tagged.
Sage, the life you give. Do you ever wonder where it's taken from?
Yeah, may penalty nga siya. But it's okay. I have 2 accounts naman. I have to go! Bye-bye! Papunta na. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-pack eh.
Close antique stop now.
Oo. Later na lang pag-uwi.
out.
Araw.
Show them after.
Johnny, my ult's ready.
Guys, I have to go.
Cutting their vision.
Enemy spotted B.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching.
Now we're
Saglit
cooking.
lang tayo tonight. Hi! Yan, C-O-L-A-Y.
One enemy remaining.
My ultimate is ready. Flag planted.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for 5.5k hearts, 17 viewers, and for your time with me tonight. If ever, na hindi pa ako antok later, baka we can play pa. Or I can stream pa later pag uwi. Thank you. Bye. Baka feeling ko kaya ko pa mag-stream. I'll update na lang sa broadcast channel. Maybe no drill yet. No drill yet. Ah, sige. Sige na, mag-drill na nga tayo just in case. Isang araw mamaneho sa Cubao. And then you can send the hearts that they're sending for the drill. See you later, guys. See you later. See you later. Thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Bye. Maghuhugas pa ako ng plato.